Morning mayhem after gusts in excess of 100 kilometres an hour swept across southwest Sydney. Slabs of solar panels peeled from the roof of this shopping village and adjoining apartments, smashing to below. Locals say it's the second time in a year, leaving one resident heartbroken.
I don't cry, but my heart got very upset because when I saw all of my work.
He's lived in the area for 45 years.
I work hard to build, and now in 10 minutes my work can go.
It is big damage, yeah, and the solar panel, this has a solar panel too.
He says strong winds are common in this area, which will soon be home to the city's second major airport.
This corner, is this going to be the beginning of the new airport, this one here. So there is always fog here and always big wind.
Nearby, more buildings were damaged and debris left scattered. A neighbour's pergola became wedged in Andrea Cavannino's yard.
It was probably about 3 o'clock. We woke up. It was quite windy last night, so we heard quite a loud crash.
She and her husband are at a loss as to how to move it or who will fix the damage. The SES responded to hundreds of calls.
Very busy. We've been going since 3 o'clock this morning.
And it looks like we'll be going till probably 7 o'clock tonight.
The morning commute was also affected by fallen power lines and widespread blackouts. And as strong winds persisted across the city throughout the day, Sydney Airport was again reduced to a single runway. Conditions should improve tomorrow. Penny Timms, ABC News, Sydney.